So I'm here in Nashville on the south side of downtown in an area known as Pie Town. I guess it's because the neighborhood's shaped like a pie. But anyhow, here to check out a joint where a dude had a catering company and, well, pandemic hits, loses 90% of his business, but he adapts and overcomes, as we do in the restaurant business, and opens up a taco joint to keep everybody working. This is Pie Town Tacos.
If you can drop me 2 grilled fish.
Pie Town's just different. It has that unique flavor to it.
Tofu rice and bean bowl.
The guy's got a Pie Town Tacos shirt on. You think he might like the place? Do you work here?
No, I don't work here.
You just have the shirt.
Gotta be a big fan all the time.
And that fan base began with Jason Crockrell's catering company, which has been a Nashville staple since 2006. Y'all doing all right? But it wasn't until 2020 that he took on tacos.
COVID hit. You know, our business went down. And so we got all these people we love and care about. We got to keep them working. So we opened it up, started selling some tacos.
Here's your al pastor tacos. I love this sort of food. I love nachos and tacos and bowls with rice and beans.
Hot chicken nachos up.
This is like the Grand Ole Opry of queso and Nashville hot chicken all combined. It's amazing.
What's up next?
We're gonna make the queso for the hot chicken nachos. You get a little vegetable oil, butter, onion in, garlic, kosher salt, cumin,
Flour, cook off that roux.
green chilies, chicken stock, half and half.
You'll start dropping the cheese in little by little.
Melted in there, the goodness. Going over the
Right.
top. Nachos.
Was that going over the top?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
the culinary sign language,
Right.
going over the top. What's our next step?
hot chicken spice. Guajillo chili, some arbol.
Well, you're not missing the hot part here.
No, we use the Pekin chili, cayenne, onion powder, garlic powder, kosher salt, and some sugar.
And we're gonna bloom this in that hot oil.
Brings out all that flavor out of
Yeah.
those spices.
And how are we dredging that chicken?
Chicken breader.
Chicken breader.
Chicken breader.
Don't y'all know chicken breader?
Everybody knows chicken breader.
Come on now.
Come on. Flour, cayenne pepper, black pepper, kosher salt, a little bit more of that guajillo chili, garlic powder, onion powder, milk powder is a binding agent in there for the chicken. We'll add water to it to make a wet batter. So we'll go wet, dry.
Die or
Dies, always dies.
like the way this guy rolls.
Yeah, chicken we just fried up. That spice that we bloomed earlier.
Full hot Nashville hot chicken style.
Tortilla chips, queso.
Okay, so you're gonna put that on?
Queso. I hear you, brother. Throw that hot chicken right over the top. Tortilla cheese, chopped cilantro.
That's all she wrote. No? I think.
You look good. No, you get a little hanger there.
A little hanger.
Okay.
I don't think you could ever say a little hanger and ever have it sound good. Those good chips. Great texture, amazing crunch. The cotija is perfect, good cheese sauce. I can't sell it in my mouth fast enough, by the way. When you tell people in Nashville that they're getting Nashville hot chicken nachos, you gotta deliver it. Legit, my friend.
We got some hot chicken nachos.
How legit is the hot chicken?
I mean, it's the best you can get right there as far as the spices and everything.
Best queso in town. It's just delicious.